Select line segment. Press Shift and create a straight line. Pick a stroke color. And adjust the stroke weight to your liking. Press Alt plus Shift and drag the line to the other side. Select the Blend tool. And select both lines. Double-click on the Blend tool. Spacing, specified steps. I use an amount of 60. Go to Object. Expand Appearance. Go to Object. Expand. You can keep the settings like this. Right-click on the lines and select Ungroup. Right-click on the lines. Transform. Transform each. Select Random. Constrain the width and height proportions. Adjust the scale until you're happy with the effect. You can adjust the lines. I like to make the caps round. And that's how you create this sound wave effect.